What do you have to say for yourself? We feed you, we give you seed, we let you disturb the birds, and this is all you have to say for yourself? Come on. You can do better than that. Yeah. Squirrely Temple. That's your name. Typical. You look cute enough. But man, you have an attitude. Yeah. What do you think? I'm gonna eat your seed? I don't want it. Yeah. Yeah, go about your business. This person is of no interest to you. Really, honest. What do you think's gonna happen? You gonna come bite me? Yeah? Yeah, you're really unhappy, aren't you? That's okay. Yeah, go up the tree.